Choose what you want to be bad at. Why?
Because you're going to be bad at something. If you don't choose, somebody else will choose for you.
It's 7:30, but it looks like 6:30. The sun is rising so late. So on a Saturday, I have this friend of mine that I meet for coffee every morning, every Saturday at 7:30. So I'm going to meet with him. Yeah, so this is salt. They started putting salt on the road so it wouldn't get frozen, right? It's really, really cold. It doesn't look like it, but it's so cold. This bridge is usually packed with people. Look at this. Give me an advice on anything, quick.
Choose
Yes.
what you want to be bad at.
Choose what you want to be bad at. Why?
Because you're going to be bad at something. If you don't choose, somebody else will choose for you. And normally they choose the thing that you don't want.
Yeah, so this is 2020.
So these are all the books that you read?
Yeah, I mean, these are all books I read in 2020. And
In 2020?
Yeah.
Okay.
So in 20...
There's a lot of books in there.
Yeah, I read 100 and something.
Yeah. You also do speed reading, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So look, you can see whether it's to reread or whether I've got notes on there or not.
Yeah.
And then... let's go back. So 2023 I was reading less books.
Yeah.
I was reading longer books. So yeah.
How much is that?
Right now I'm at 49.
49.
My goal was 50 by the end of the year.
Just trying to give you something.
One person in the comment section asked me how I'm actually creating this SEO optimized blog post. So I will show you how I'm doing that with GPTs. Let's go to my computer and I will show you. Okay, so this is the GPT creation panel. This is where I have input all the information about the business, like what I'm doing, what I know, and all the other stuff that you can just give pretty much any information. So I just ask to create an assistant to actually cover all the fields that I am lacking of. So like business side, or I kind of wanted to create like an assistant for myself to handle user research and also writing these kind of blog posts and everything. And this is where I did it. So I just described everything. And then I came here, all these instructions will be auto-generated after I put all this information, right? And then there's this upload files option. Then I started uploading all these workflows that I created before, like designs and everything about the application in here. So ChatGPT can read those now and is updating the GPT itself. And you have make sure all these capabilities that if you need them, that you select all of them. I don't have an action yet, but I will be using them in the future to maybe automate this blog creation process and everything. So as you can see, these are all auto-generated by the GPT's assistant creator. So can you research our competition? What's the latest trend and everything? It is capable doing that all. It's actually going to websites, researching all these keywords and everything, all the trends, and just doing the task that you're instructed to do. Here you can see this is an example query that I did, and I'm just asking to actually identify all these things about the topic. And actually this is the part it generated me all these articles, and I have posted on my website. that's pretty much it.
I'm just trying to give you something spooky out to for you. I'm just trying to give you something.
Come. So look, you see these buildings over there? You see those buildings? So I wish my employees would be wealthy enough when I build this application so they can afford a house there. You know, like no matter what kind of stress that I'm under, and I'm coming to this balcony and just like looking at this view, and it's all worth it, man. It's definitely all worth it. So the first user research results are coming in. These are the results from the LinkedIn polls, and I got 7% retention. 7% of the people actually cared enough to pick one of the options, and it's looking good. So learning a new language is taking ahead, and going to the gym and building side project is on the second place, and eating healthy, it's the least favorite one. And people don't give a shit about eating healthy, I guess. Okay, so it's good to know. So learning a language and these two. And I will run this poll for another week, and we will see the results based on that. But I think I should definitely focus on learning a language. But I will be making more user research on this as well. So, okay.